Today, to make this jacket, you will need your fabric scissors, tailor's chalk, and a zipper foot of your choice. This one I got off of Amazon. You will also need long zippers. I got 22 inches because my dad is very tall and he has long arms. He's like over 6'2", but you can use any kind of zipper to fit your own arms. You will also need a zip-up jacket preferably, but you can use any jacket, I think. So here I am showing you the jacket and what we'll be doing to it, adding the zipper in the middle of the sleeve. Forgot to mention that you will also need a ruler, but you can use any kind of ruler that you want. This one's just the one that I use. First, you're going to lay your zipper into the middle inner arm and tack the zipper short. Basically the length up to the wrist. Then at the top of the zipper, make sure you mark it and mark the inner point, and then use your ruler to connect a straight line all the way down to the wrist, as I'm doing right here with my tailor's chalk. Make sure you do this for both inner arms of the jacket and make sure they're even. Next, you will cut an inch above in that straight line on both sides. And this is what it should look like here. Make sure you only cut the top layer and also leaving an inch on both sides so that the zipper has room. Okay, so now you get your pins, and these are my pins on a magnet, and you pin down your first side. So this is how mine looks. I've already just pinned down the first side of my zipper onto the jacket. Alright, so now all you gotta do is just sew down the first side of your zipper. I just sped it up because I was recording one-handed, so it kind of looks a little crazy here, but I hope you get the point. Next, turn your jacket inside out. This is really important. Turn your jacket inside out and then pin the other side. Alright, so now you just sew the other side down, and yes, the second part is sped up and recorded with one hand. And after you're done, you turn your jacket right sides out, and this is what it should look like. Here I am showing you how it looks like when it's open. And make sure you also do this to the other side as well. And this is what the other side should look like. And here are the results. So I made a couple of these jackets for my dad. So I'm just showing you some pictures that he sent me of him in his jackets. I hope you guys make these jackets for yourself or your loved ones or to anyone you want to donate to. And I hope that you found this useful. Thank you guys so much. Bye.